What is it again?
When I tap into his back, Dylan doesn't complain.
Okay.
And then we are all different people.
Okay.
We
So.
all like different stuff.
Okay. And.
We all do different stuff.
Okay. So what's wrong now? So why are you crying? Why are you crying? Why? So why are you crying? When Dylan twisted your finger. Okay. Sometimes it doesn't hurt him, but it hurts you. See?
Yeah, because we all like different stuff.
He likes it? He likes twisting your finger?
No.
Okay.
We all like doing different stuff, but not sometimes we don't like to do it.
Okay.
And some people like to do it, some people don't like to do it.
Okay, how are you gonna solve the problem then? How are we gonna solve the problem about fighting? What we gonna do? What we gonna do? How we gonna solve the problem? So nobody will fight here in the house. Tell me some solution. What's the option? Tell me. What's the option? Oh, you don't say anything? You don't have any suggestion about to stop the fighting? What's the suggestion? You're the big sister. You should know. You tell me. What? You don't do that to ate, huh? Okay? Don't twist that. Okay? I'll talk to you. Don't do that to ate, okay? Because it hurts, okay? Okay? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe. I'm watching.
Say sorry na.
Sorry.
Nicely. Okay. What's your complaint? You have another complaint in life? Huh? You have another complaint? Tell me na. So we can resolve it. What is your other complaint? What's your other complaint? What's your other complaint? Huh? What's your other complaint? What? Suggestion about your brother. What you gonna do with your brother? What? What you wanna do with him? What you gonna do with him? You have other solution? What you gonna do with him so you don't fight anymore? What's the solution? What you think is the best solution?
Mommy.
What you gonna do with ate? What's the best solution so you don't fight anymore? What? You go what?
Good.
Huh? Solution? Solution?
Good.
What solution good?
Good.
What you gonna do so you and ate will not fight anymore? What is your suggestion?
I don't know.
You don't know. You. No suggestion? So you stop the fighting in the house? What you think that you are fighting? Why? What you think is the problem? Why you always fight? What you think?
But Dylan always started first.
You always started it. And then, what's next? Always started it. So what we gonna do with him? I told you, give me some solution.
Put them to other family.
Put him to the other family? Are you sure? Are you sure? No, you cannot play with anyone anymore if I put him to the other family. Are you sure with that?
No.
Okay? Because I will call some family now.
No, no.
Okay. You should give to other family.
No, 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 no.
Okay. So what's the next other solution? What's the other solution?
Tell them to stop fighting.
Stop fighting, ate, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, he said okay. What you think? It will happen again or no?
It will happen again.
Yeah, are you sure?
He won't listen every time.
He never?
He never listen to you. He just say okay every time.
But it didn't happen. Right? Even I talk to him, I always do the same thing. Why you think is that? Why you think like that? Because he's still a little boy. He don't know what he's doing. Look at him. Look. See? Look at him. He's so innocent. See? Innocent boy. See? Innocent boy. Innocent girl. Okay.